Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, or good night, wherever you may be. My name is Folake Agumbiade, aka the Customer Seductress herself, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time bumping into this channel, yes, I'm glad you dropped by. Look below, there's a red button. It says subscribe. No! If you're a frequent returner to this channel, thank you for always coming back. You make what I do pretty amazing. If you are a frequent returner, you will notice that I'm not in my usual shooting space. I had to go out of town to sort out some personal issues, but regardless, I can't leave you guys hanging. I need to be able to share the love of the month of love with you guys. If you didn't get to watch last week's video, you missed out. Yes, it's below. Look for it. Handling pressure productively, and make sure you watch it before you watch this video. Don't forget, if you enjoy anything you're doing or engaging with here on this channel, don't forget to like, yes, give us a thumbs up, then comment, drop us a note, and share this video with family and friends. Today we'll be talking about another wonderful topic that I'm very passionate about. You know, I was taking a talk show sometimes during the month around the Valentine's season, and I asked a question that was answered by one of my mentors, Pastor Godwin Uwubame, and he was so prolific for me, because a lot of times in our relationships, one of the things that make any kind of relationship that we have not work well is the ideology that unity is uniformity. So today we're talking unity is not uniformity. Yes, unity is different from uniformity. A lot of times in our relationships with people, maybe it's your significant other or your colleague at work or anybody that you have a relationship with, or even your partner or your friend, we tend to want to make sure they are like us. They want us, we want to make them uniform. And that is one of the bases of why our relationships don't work. I'll take a quick definition into the difference between unity and uniformity. Unity means many persons or groups being together in spite of their differences. So what makes a united front is your differences, while uniformity means they are entirely alike without no room for differences. Don't get it twisted. Variety is the spice of life. The reason why a system or a group of people happen or work better or are more effective is when there is unity between them. And that unity comes from, number one, understanding diversity. We're all different. Us being different is never a bad thing. My personality has its strengths and weaknesses, and so does yours. So we need to always have that at the back of our minds, that diversity is king. It is not wrong to be different. Embrace your own difference, embrace the difference of others. Regardless of how you feel, we're all different, and it's our differences that makes unity possible. Number two, understand the fact that in becoming united, there are concessions to be made. Yes, you need to understand other people. You need to appreciate why they behave the way they behave, even when you don't agree with it. Like I usually like to say, feelings are feelings. You don't justify feelings. People feel what they feel regardless. And you must be able to, respect that and appreciate that in any conversation that you have with someone. Apologize for how you made them feel, not necessarily your opinion about certain things. it will help you develop unity and not uniformity. Number 3, in this particular series that you need to note, is that uniformity can never be unity. Looking for people who think like you, act like you, will never give you the results you want in life. You want to have a company, you want to staff your team, and you're looking for everybody being alike like you. You're just about to have a disaster waiting to unfold. Because when everybody thinks like you, it stunts creativity. So you need to always remember that unity is not uniformity. Embrace diverse people in your workplace, in your relationships. In fact, opposites attracts. Romantic relationships that thrive better happen between opposites. You need to have that at the back of your mind. Number 4 and final for today. Dressing alike, speaking the same language, eating the same food does not make you uniform. Yeah, it does not make unity in any way. It is exploring each other's differences with consideration for the greater goal. What do we want to achieve together? Look at the person, appreciate their differences, and explore it. Not just appreciate it, explore it. See things from their own perspective. Hear them speak. Understand them. Life is never black or white. Sometimes it's just shades of gray. At this point, I need to run. I'll be back again next week. But before I run, don't forget to like this video. Don't be upset about the light fluctuations in this video. I apologize in advance. Like I said, I'm not in my usual location, so I'm having difficulty balancing the light. But regardless, I got a gist with you guys now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Till I come into your faces sometime soon, it's your girl, Folake Agobiade. I'm out. Bye, guys.